37 years since the ERA failed. And so now here in Oregon, liberal, progressive, we're saying, well, we should bring that back. And so that's great. The opposition to it is fascinating because the ACLU stood up and said, no, that's a bad idea. And the reasoning is that it's already built into our Constitution. It doesn't say women specifically, but it has a clause that's been interpreted by the Oregon Supreme Court to say you can't discriminate on the basis of all of this stuff. And the opposition to it says, well, no, it's got to say women because we're seeing that there is a differential. And they've got dueling legal opinions. The Legislative Council says, yes, we need it. And the ACLU's high-paid, well, they're not high-paid lawyers, but their lawyers say, no, we don't need it. And so we've got all this kind of stuff going on. But as we heard, it's grassroots, and no one's going to hear anything about this. This is going to be decided basically on how people read the voters' pamphlet. What is the impact going to be? We have no idea. It won't be until someone brings a suit or there's a law to enact something that crosses with this that we'll see, so what does this actually mean there? Now here's one thing that's not going to happen. An argument I heard in favor of it is, we need to vote this in so that it starts a national conversation to have the national ERA put in place. Pigs will fly before that happens. It just isn't going anywhere. Not in this generation, and given that it's been almost 2 generations since the ERA was around again, it may be 2 generations to go. Remarkable also that it's so quiet, but that's the way it is.